ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ opponent
He is my
ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
opponent.
I filed that application before the trial.
Sorry.
My submission is
Application for stalling.
not stalling.
Then-
I object to examine that witness as a fresh witness. Because
Oh, yeah.
my submission is, my lord,
CBI.
how CBI
Sailing with me.
saying, Lord, 319 your lordship may kindly see, when the additional witnesses.
No,
are brought in-
319, when additional witnesses are brought,
Sorry,
it is to
additional
be.
accused.
Additional accused are brought back into the web of
Well, that
the
will be during
proceedings.
trial.
That is for trial. That is during
Not
trial.
Additional report. Well, if during trial, in addition to the accused who is before court, if they
Now,
roll.
when the additional report was sought or placed before the court, at what stage was the proceeding?
It was posted for prosecution argument.
313 statement.
Then
Meeting was over.
that very act is illegal.
My lord, unfortunately,
If you see,
330 statement.
no, Vinubai's judgment, you see
Yeah,
at
but-
para 42, the Supreme Court says, till the framing of the charges and commencement of the trial, 173(8) is a permissible
Permissible.
exercise.
That's it. No,
Beyond
it-
that, it is an illegal
yes.
exercise.
Well, it warrants some consideration at your lordship's hands.
That is true, yes. But
Interpretation.
why 5 years agide? How can the government excise 173(8) powers?
Have a look at the order. Have a look at the, what jurisdiction they have under 173(8). It is only the prerogative of the investigator, not that of the government. Kindly have a look at page 258.
No, government has excised this in other cases also.
Yeah, Melody, this, have a look at.
Further investigation. No,
ha-
to the, see, if it is a communication to the CBI on the application of the CBI, is it on an application of the CBI seeking
No.
for
No,
No,
no moto?
no,
my lord,
that
what-
writ petition came to be dismissed.
my lord, they sought
Lord,
further
special
investigation, that was dismissed.
Wait, senior, yes, yes.
Special leave petition came to be dismissed. Subsequent thereto, when the government passes this order, may I request your lordship to kindly turn to page 263 for a second.
This is the order.
Yes, my lord.
Accord sanction to the CBI. For further investigation in 302.
Further investigation, government again is the powers.
No, is this connected to something else? Has this anything to do with that Vinay Kulkarni's case?
Yes.
Yes.
Have a look at.
No, because that division bench has affirmed that.
Other course.
Then I cannot go beyond that.
That is the reason, my lord, we have not raised.
I'm not on that point.
We have not that.
I'm not on that point. That is why I said I suffered an order. That's okay, no problem.
Then division bench has considered all this, Supreme Court has also
Yes,
confirmed it.
that is why I'm not on that point. Now we are on the trial, that's it.
Now we are only on the manner in which the witnesses are examined. But now it is numbered as PW1 and the documents are renumbered afresh.
You serve on the CBI. I'll post
But
it.
the trial is fixed on.
Yavaga? Next date, sir.
8th. Evidence care.
Evidence.
Your lordship may kindly postpone the recording evidence by 1 week. And your lordship may hear and dispose.
No, because that act I cannot, I cannot
No,
put
I'm
the
not
clock
on that-
back.
That's why I said I'm not on that point.
Division bench has considered.
No, no, my lord. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಿ, sir.
Sorry.
Wait.
I am not on that point at all. Incidentally, since my lord asked me whether.
I know, that's what,
That's
no,
what
I was,
No, certainly I am not on that point. I am ready to face the trial. There is absolutely no difficulty. But the procedure that is being followed by the trial court is certainly not in keeping with the settled legal position. That is all my submission here.
let's see. Let the CBI counsel come.
Please,
I'll take it tomorrow. You serve on him today.
please.
List on, heard the learned senior counsel, C.V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner. 36, you know? What is 36?
Lord, 36, same order.
Allala, who are you there, sir? Co-accused?
I am accused number 1. Co-accused.
Ah.
Meanwhile, I
This will
comply
have
the
to
officer.
decide whether 216 permits
Yes.
all together a new
Retrial.
trial.
Whether 216 permits retrial in a situation or under the facts and circumstances of this case. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 330 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ defense evidence and arguments, if any. Doesn't matter. Well, consequent an order which can be passed by the government, they will take a further investigation, and my grievance before this honorable court was not countenanced. An additional report has been filed. Now that is over. That chapter stands closed.
Now all the chapters are closed except 216, what order is passed
Yes,
now.
yes.
So we'll
That's it.
confine our consideration only to 216.
Does it come within the purview of 216 subclause 4, or he has got to take up the issue as mandated under section 217? That is recalling of witnesses.
Next date is 8th, Alba.
8th.
Then I'll take it on the 5th.
But if there are new witnesses, in addition to the witnesses who are already examined, certainly the prosecution is entitled to examine them afresh.
We'll see.
Certainly they are entitled to.
Now, 173(8) excise, it is excise, new things are bought in and everything. How do you examine those witnesses who are necessary to prove the report that is there under 173(8)? No, how do you, is it not by bringing in new witnesses?
Well, I would rather submit from
No, it's only.
yes, from the result of
clarification.
investigation, what they say is 161 statement is recorded again of those witnesses who are already examined before the court.
No, that chapter is over.
No.
Because that also was argued, I guess.
Yes. No. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು. When I came to be examined earlier, what I have said is incorrect, inaccurate. Now I am going to tell you the truth. 161 statement.
Let's see. Yes.
That is how, my lord, they let him examine. I have no grounds, I have no grievance at all. Let that witness be examined. But it should be in continuation of the evidence which he has already given. Recall him and examine him.
Dino, L. Prasanna Kumar.
Not Dino.
I'll take it on Monday.
Please,
This, you take notice.
Please.
This and that, heard the learned senior counsel, Sri C.V. Nagesh, appearing for the petitioner. The challenge at this juncture is limited to the impugned proceeding, whereby the concerned court grants permission to conduct a trial in terms of subsection 4 of section 216 of the CRPC and permits examination of witnesses as contemplated under section 230 and 231 of the CRPC. The learned senior counsel would submit that it is altogether the commencement of a new trial, and therefore this action of the learned of the concerned court runs contrary to law. The learned counsel, Sri P. Prasanna Kumar, is directed to accept copy kutra. Is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Go through the papers and the grounds urged therein and make his submissions Monday at 4 p.m. Monday is all right?
Trial court 8th ideyante.
8th ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Monday.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ don't bring the witnesses on that day.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that can be done. I will direct deferring if this
Yes, that's
needed.
You kindly postpone it by 1 week. That's all. In the meantime, your lordship could certainly dispose it.
Trial should conclude within 3 months ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. No, I'm sorry, you are incorrect. I was
Supreme Court direction is not there to conclude.
No Supreme Court direction, nor the direction of this court. I was the one who argued the matter. What this honorable court has said is, we request the trial court to dispose the case itself within 3 months. Request the court.
Request by a higher court. As good as a direction. Supreme Court judgment
that request, at his instance, the matter is adjourned more than 3 months. Now keeping the witnesses present, third list, fourth list.
But what is this procedure?
I'll just not check. I do not know. I am not representing.
True, but how is this?
Yeah, Prasanna, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, supposing you record it as a fresh witness, ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ಮನಾದನ್ನ, if in the event I were to succeed before your lordship, being persuaded to accept my submissions, ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲ್ವೇ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
Then you take a week's time. I will defer this by a week. This action of recording of
direction ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I am also
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ
between
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
that date only I will decide it. That's not an issue. Then 8th ಇದ್ರೆ 8th ಒಳಗೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. I'll take it on 5th. That is Monday.
Please.
Monday at 4 p.m. we'll take it. Be only on this issue.
This is the crux of the matter.
Only on this
Yes,
issue.
sir.
Let's not go back to the division bench, go back to the order,
Yes.
all that. Yes.
Yes.
We'll decide it on that. Just get ready and tell.
Please.
Yes, sir. Monday 4 p.m.
36, I may be permitted to comply office objection. There are some.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
That may be
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
connected to this.
Connected ಬೇಡ. List both. 1 and 36 in not tagging but in seriatim on 4th of his objections to be complied with, serial number 36 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, complied with by the next date. Yes, sir.
Please.
Monday we will hear it, and if need be, we will defer it on Monday.
Please.
Yes.
ಅವರು ಸಮನ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ,
Fifth ಗೆ we will do it.
Monday ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, fifth ಗೆ if is-
My learned friend Mr. Prasanna
on,
Kumar.
on the 5th, if I am convinced either ways, we'll do it. Yes.
Certainly, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Well, I don't know whether my learned friend is aware of what had transpired before the trial court on the previous date of hearing.
ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
that is why I have asked him.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲಿಗನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
No, why precisely I asked, has this anything to do with Vinay Kulkarni's case? Supreme Court has directed conclusion. That is why I asked.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. It is only well, we questioned the additional charges which came to be framed by the trial court pursuant to the additional report which came to be filed by the investigator. Well, while